Sosai Bangkon Akne. I would like, hello everyone, I would like to tell you about local food here. Yes, about Cambodia. In the countryside, right? This is my house. Yeah, I just have some barbecue here. See the this is how to say the BBQ in Cambodia, the local food. we don't have we don't have how to say, we don't have enough ingredient. Yeah, after work here you can say after work we don't have enough ingredient and then just cook. See, this is the way we cook, right? The way we cook. Cooking, yeah, cooking. Local, local food we cooking, right? From Cambodia, Asia Far East, okay? Asia Far East. Look at how delicious we are cooking right now, okay? Okay. Take long time, a little bit. Some people they don't like too much, like how to say that. I mean, in a cook, right? Some people we have a different favorite. Okay. Okay, we turn to another. This is the guy. We turn the beef another. You see, they use the chopstick. This is the Cambodian chopstick. Okay, different, quite different from American chopstick, from Chinese chopstick, right? Okay, we turn to another side to make it enough cook. Okay, let's see. Nice and look delicious. Okay. Okay, hope everyone enjoy. Like this is this after work, after work in Cambodia, right? After work, and it is not in the town. This is from the countryside. Okay, the guy. Yeah. You can see the guy. Oh.